Welcome you all to my class today. Uh, in our last class, we are doing trigonometric identities. Um, we have done up to question number 93. So let us start today from question number 94 onward. To prove cos squared theta minus cot squared theta plus 1 divided by sin squared theta plus tan squared theta minus 1 is equals to cot squared theta. LHS let us take cos squared theta common from the numerator. First write in this way. Cos squared theta minus, write cos squared theta as cos squared theta by sin squared theta plus 1 divided by sin squared theta plus sin squared theta by cos squared theta minus 1. Then take common cos squared theta from the numerator. You get 1 minus 1 by sin squared, that is cosec squared theta plus 1. Take sin squared theta common. You get 1 plus 1 by cos squared, that means sec squared theta minus 1. So you get cos square by sin square, that is cos square. Next, cosec square theta is 1 plus cos square theta. So if you write here 1 plus cos square theta, that will be minus 1 minus cos square. So ultimately this becomes 1 minus cos square theta divided by, here 1 1 cancelled, sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Then how it will be possible to get cos square theta? Cos square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 sin square theta tan square theta minus 1. This is 1 plus cos square theta, so minus 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. In both the case I have done some mistake. When I am taking cos square theta common, then here it becomes 1 minus, this is cosec square theta and this will be sec square theta, because here is no cos square theta. When you take cos square theta, then we have to divide it here. Similarly, here when we take sin square theta common, then 1 plus, this is sec square theta and this is cosec square theta. Now look, these two factors becomes identical. 1 minus cosec square plus sec square, 1 minus cosec square plus sec square. So these will be cancelled. So cos square by sin square is cos square theta. Proof 94. then 95. Tan A by cosec square A plus cot A by sec square A cot A by sec square A plus 2 by cosec A sec A is equals to tan A plus cot A. Look, cosec square A when goes upward, this becomes sin square A. Sin square into tan A, that means sin A by cos A. So you can write it as sin cube A by cos A. Similarly, here you can write it as cos cube A by sin A. And here it becomes 2 sin A cos A. Now, if you take common 1 by sin A cos A, then it becomes sin to the power 4A, becomes cos to the power 4A, and it becomes 2 sin square A cos square A. Now very easy. This is 1 by sin A cos A, and this becomes sin square A plus cos square A whole square. This is 1, so ultimately this becomes 1 by sin A cos A. Now we have to go here, so next replace 1 by sin square A plus cos square A. Divide by sin A cos A. Now you can write it as sin square A by sin A cos A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. Cancel sin A, then it becomes tan A, and cancel cos A, so it becomes cot A. Goes to RHS. Then go to 96. One plus cot A plus tan A. Plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A is equals to sec A by cosec square A minus cosec A by sec square A. LHS. Write in terms of sin A and cos A. So write 1 plus, write cot A as cos A by sin A plus sin A by cos A into sin A minus cos A. Now Make the LCM sin A cos A. Now here it becomes sin A cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A into sin A minus cos A. Now look, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. This is formula for A cube minus B cube, so you can write sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A cos A. So split the numerator, you get sin square A by cos A. And here it becomes cos square A by sin A. Now just change their places. This to the denominator, this to the numerator. So when cos A becomes numerator, goes to numerator, it becomes sec A. And sin square A goes down, so it becomes cosec square A. Minus, this is cosec A by sec square A. Equals to RHS. Plus 96, then go to 97. One plus cot A plus tan A. Into sin A minus cos A. Divided by sec cube A minus cosec cube A. This equals to sin square A into cos square A. LHS. Split cot A and tan A in terms of sin A cos A. So I am writing 1 plus cos A by sin A plus sin A by cos A into sin A minus cos A divided by sec cube A cosec cube A. Now multiply both n and d by sin cube A cos cube. This will be better. And keep sin square A cos square A outside and put sin A cos A inside. So you get sin A cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A into sin A minus cos A in the denominator it becomes sin cube A minus cos cube A. Look, here in this step I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by sin cube A cos cube A. Keeping sin square A cos square A outside, I am pushing sin A cos A inside the bracket. This becomes this, which remains same. This becomes sin cube A minus cos cube A. Now look, AB plus A square plus B square into A minus B. So this becomes A cube minus B cube. So you get sin square A into cos square A. This becomes sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin cube A minus cos cube A. So cancelling this factor, you get sin square A cos square A provided sin cube A not equals to cos cube A. This is the condition for cancelling this factor. So this becomes RHS. Proved. This was 97. Next, this is 98. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. LHS is this. Multiply both n and d by 1 plus sin theta. You get 1 plus sin theta whole square. In the denominator you get 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now numerator keep the same, 1 plus sin theta whole square. In the denominator it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. Now it becomes 1 plus sin theta whole square. In the denominator it becomes cos square theta. Now write it as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So this becomes 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So it becomes sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Okay. So take a problem, homework, similar problem. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. This will be sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Do it as homework. Next, 99. One plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. This is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. Same way you can do it as homework. This is homework. Similar problem will be 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This will be cosec theta minus cos theta whole square. This is also homework. Same problem. Then 100. Sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta whole square. Write this now, multiply both n and d by cos theta. You get 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Write that, multiply both n and d by cos theta. Then, as here it is 1 plus cos theta, so multiply both n and d by 1 plus cos theta. Then you get 1 minus cos square theta, and here you get 1 plus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, and here you have 1 plus cos theta whole square. So now you write sin theta by 1 plus cos theta whole square. This is your RHS. Good. Next, go to 101. Minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equals to 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. LHS. Split this in this way. This is A, this is B. Now split this as A plus B whole square. Now you have 1 minus sin theta whole square plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus sin theta plus cos square theta. Next, split this cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. Take common 1 minus sin theta from these two. No, you can take the last step. Let me copy the steps. Now cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Now take 1 minus sin theta from here. You get here 1 minus sin theta, here you have 2 cos theta, and here you have 1 plus sin theta. Because 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta, you have taken 1 minus sin theta outside, so here it remains 1 plus sin theta. Now look, minus sin theta plus sin theta cancelled, 1, 1, 2 and 2 cos theta. So take 2 common. 2 into 1 minus sin theta, and it becomes 1 plus cos theta. Okay, equals to RHS. Good. Now, this is our last problem today. 102 tan square theta by 1 plus cos square theta plus cos square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta cos square theta minus 3. To make the denominator 1 plus tan square theta, I am multiplying both n and d by tan square theta. So here in the numerator it becomes tan to the power 4 theta, and this becomes tan square theta plus 1. Multiply this by tan square theta, you get 1 by tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So in both the case, I have multiplied both n and d by tan square theta. Now, the LCM becomes tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. It becomes tan to the power 6 theta plus this becomes 1. Now it can be thought of as a cube plus b cube, so you can write tan square theta plus 1 into tan to the power 4 theta minus tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. This is cancelled. Now this becomes, I'm writing here, tan to the power 4 theta minus tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta. This becomes tan square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta. Now I am using these steps. Look, these two can be thought of as a square plus b square. So I am writing a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is tan theta plus cot theta whole square minus 2 tan theta cot theta then minus 1. This is actually 2 because tan theta cot theta is 1. Now sin theta, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square minus 2 minus 1. Then it becomes sin theta cos theta. In the numerator it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 3. This is 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta whole square minus 3. So this ultimately becomes sec square theta cos square theta minus 3. Okay, this is this proved. So let us end today's class here. In our next class we will start some other problems. Okay, till then, bye.